Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to open on a stable to positive note following the RBI's decision on Friday to cut the CRR by 50 basis points. On the global front, US markets closed at record highs supported by strong job reports and optimistic comments about the Fed Reserve possibly cutting interest rates in December. This has led to a drop in the US 10-year bond yield to a one-month low of 4.15%, suggesting a rate cut is imminent. To start with our first segment for Monday, 9th of December 2024, Nifty Index opened positive and moved in a consolidative and lackluster manner throughout the day. It remained in the range of its opening hour of 130 points. The index has witnessed a comeback of the bulls and it moved by 850 points in the entire week. It formed an inside bar on the daily frame and a bullish candle on the weekly frame. India VIX was down by another 2.5% to 14.14 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,200 to 25,200, while immediate range is in between 24,400 to 24,900. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,830 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,659 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 44.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,600 for an up move towards 24,850, then 25,000 levels, while support can be seen at 24,400. Bank Nifty has to hold above 53,250 for the next up move towards its previous lifetime high of 54,467, while on the downside, support can be seen at 53,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in MCX, Indigo, Jubilant Food, Hinpetro, Bank of Baroda, Tata Power, Axis Bank, L&T, Titan, Coforge, DLF and Bsoft. While weakness can be seen in M&M Finance, AU Bank, IndusInd Bank and ABFRL. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.